Right, hello and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Welcome back to... everything kind of going right. I have a little bit too much rock here and I'm kind of trying to see how I can use the railroads in order to move rocks. I have bad understanding of the game mechanics, and I don't know if what I'm gonna say is correct or not, and I'm just gonna share my thoughts here. Problem here is that even this storage, yes, we have problem with trucks, and look at this. I mean, like this. If you monitor these trucks, you will see that they will disappear relatively fast from the list here. Like, actually, let's see here. We have 37 dump trucks, 10%, let's say, ish. 3 of them are free. It was 4, so that was 10%. And let's see when they all gonna get busy. Here already kind of getting there. We have like 8 tanker trucks, but I'm pretty sure that not that they are needed at the moment, but okay, tanker trucks, I think we can agree that they're not a problem. My problem with this game is still having these little trucks running around as dumper trucks. This should not be acceptable, and I don't know how to change this. This guy is going to refuel, but obviously previous load was loose cargo. Currently it's going to be tanking. It's going to be taking hydrogen from here. I don't want it to do so. Actually, to be honest, I wanted to see where this vehicle is going to go. I will just put it here. Do I pin it? So let me see where this vehicle is going to go after this. So I was thinking about having a central collection point for rocks on this part of the island. And then, like, if the rocks need to... Oh, we need to talk about depleted uranium. If rocks need to be moved somewhere, you know, that they are dumped here, well, where the railroads is going to be picking them up and taking them elsewhere. This is what I'm thinking about. Now, the problem is when you deliver rocks somewhere, what do you do with them? Of course, I would like to build, like, you know, ports and areas where we can load, unload cargo and that stuff. So, you know, that's the point. That's what I'm aiming for. But unfortunately, I don't know if this is how the game actually functions. When I deliver rocks, how do I know that the truck that is not on the other side of the island wouldn't just go and take those rocks and take them back, for example? So it's like... interesting. Okay, so this guy just took hydrogen and is taking it over here, and this is what is not acceptable, this is what I don't want it to do. This little truck, I'm pretty sure, could have done some other work rather than delivering this, and I think this might be 2 trucks. No, maybe it's... No, I think it's 2 trucks delivering hydrogen over here. And this is a problem because, like I said just a moments ago, I have 4 big Bowser trucks, water Bowser, liquid Bowsers, like tanker trucks that can do this, and they have capacity to do this, and they are just not doing it. Anyway, that's very interesting. I will say that this is a concern. I'm trying to think about how I can implement railroad transports, like if I go and deliver, let's say, rocks here, that I want to flatten this island, that I want all of this covered with rocks and then layer of grass later on. How would I go about doing this? And the answer is I don't know. So I'm thinking about that. Okay, a couple of issues I would like to address. We are still losing fuel. That was because of this. Again, the truck-related issues. We weren't processing the water treatment, wastewater treatment, or the toxic slurry. This one actually creates enormous amounts of slag. Like, and I'm not kidding, like from 180 water, we have like close to over half of that. We have 36 times 2, so it's like 72. And it's being turned into 60 slag. That's like 60 slag per minute. That's the truckload per minute, smaller truckload. Unfortunately, we are only producing 72 of that, so it's not the full load of 60 per minute, but it's still a lot. Now it should be working fine. I'm gonna have to monitor this. You can see here yellow cake seems to be a little bit of a problem at the moment. Let me see what's the problem here. So this guy needs 36 to get 6, and then this guy here working. Let's see, are you gonna be full? Oh, right, here we go. This is the problem. This is only releasing 60, and the two of them need 72, 36, and 36. So if I upgrade this, that's that will be way better. Okay, so this is hopefully gonna resolve issues. Yeah, famous last words. Okay, high supply of sulfur. This is another thing over here. That I have a problem with is what I do with excess sulfur. I don't think there's such a thing as excess sulfur. Is this paused? Where is the ship here? This ship is still paused. It's not getting any sulfur, but I am not 100% sure if it's... I'm not 100% sure if I should be having this contract at all. How are we doing with this? Oh my god, +8. Why is this +8? Ah, right, because I'm not doing the research. Oh, by the way, I built another steel mill. I built another one of these. I built another one of these. I redid the piping system here, moved everything further away, and I think this guy here might be getting the maximum output of power. So we have here the... No, it's here. Steam, 6 times 8, 6 times 6, 36, and that will be 48. And this is exactly the maximum amount that this can take. Any more steel mills, we won't be able to produce power here. And this is 48 water, that will be 24 water is being circulated back into the system, which is, I don't know, glorious, I would say. I love it. I'm just thinking about this. Water comes in, water goes into these coolers as well. Oh, these ones need a lot of water. Wow, 12 water each. This is producing only like 24 water out of these. So, yeah, I think do I transfer steam into more water? Probably would be the smartest thing to do, but you know, I will have to build. I already have the whole coastline of these turning the steam into water desalination, thermal desalination plants. Here, half of this is functional. And then we have the new power plant, coal power plant over here doing more water contribution. And then we have the whole system here with 8 of these thermal desalinators at the moment working. I'm still kind of afraid that there's some pipes not working perfectly, but we'll see. Still didn't untangle these pipes. I will do that, but it's much, much cleaner and nicer right here, right now. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do stage by stage, meaning that, you know, remove this and then connect this. That would look a little bit nicer, but I think I want to just destroy all of this and then reconnect the pipes that where they need to go. For example, you can see that a lot of water goes in this direction, so pipes can go over here, over the power system, and be recirculated in that direction, so it would cut the... both of these pipes into one pipe. So even that's a little bit unfortunate. That would cut the length of the pipes shorter, so I can even put, like, let's say this the balancer around here, and then this water goes in, and then priority goes out here, and the rest of it goes to this water storage over here. So that would be kind of, I don't want to say ideal situation. I'm still worried why I'm not getting excess water here. This should be like, what, 30, we said 36 water in this direction. Yeah, there's some passing through. 11% it says here. This one is, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This one, we already calculated this, so we have 132 water. We can, doesn't matter. It's really not a problem. I thought it's going to be just a little bit more water, but even though it's not, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna be canceling you doing anything funny with water, because I see these water tanks not doing anything here, and I'm worried that they came here and actually delivered water from other side of the map for some reason. Anyway, high supply of sulfur. I will not address this now. We are getting a lot of sulfur. We are getting a lot of sulfur here as well. I'm pretty sure that this sulfur is being transferred here. And this sulfur is not being replenished, so all the trucks now, whoever needs sulfur, I'm pretty sure they're going to be taking it from here, and they have easy access in this direction. Okay, low supply iron ore. This is being fixed. This was empty. Like I said, my mining practices here were dodgy at best. What does that mean? That means that I was taking a lot of rock. I wanted to resolve these things. You know, I'm still trying to resolve it, but there was the whole mountainside here, and both of the excavators were digging into this, you know, dodgy quality iron source, and so they were getting a lot of rock. There's still a lot of iron here. It's just I'm gonna have to be more selective where I go, depending on the storage, the amount of storage. You know, and I have to balance between these two. Nuclear industry looks like it's working perfectly fine, except this that we found now. The amount of output is full. There we go. Yellow cake. Oh yay! I guess. Oh, this one. Wait, what? Is it supposed to? I don't know. I don't even know in which direction this goes. I'm gonna have to speed this up just to see where yellow cake goes. This one is full, but it's supplying to 2 of these. 3 and 3. Let's see what happens after this. All good. Output is full because we have some of these reprocessed fuel from this bad boy over here. No, not this bad boy. From the over here, I think. Yeah, because this reprocessing plant over here creates both plutonium that we use to create MOX or MOX, and gives us reprocessed uranium at 1%. Reprocessed uranium at 1% is this one here. So this is reprocessed uranium, and then I'm prioritizing reprocessing that into the next fuel rather than yellow cake. That's why we have a backlog of yellow cake, and I don't understand why this is not sending. This is the wrong direction, so I need to reverse it in this direction. This is still working. There's a lot of fuel here that is prioritized. That yellow cake is not getting here. Okay, this is fine. It's just yellow cake is not it should not be prioritized. I want to reprocess the already used uranium. I want to use it as a fuel again first. Ta-da! And this is the spent MOX. Let's do a quick look at spent MOX. That would be 23% storage, not even close to be panicking, and I can just build another storage, so it's not a problem. We still need to focus on the research and all that good stuff. Okay, implementing another steel production facility. I'm gonna go and unpause this. Everything here should be working fine, but the research now is gonna continue. So this is the ship weapons. This is the last ship research that we have on the whole setup here. That's definitely gonna be our focus. But I'm gonna focus also at the space station here. So requires experience operating space station at this tier. So we have a space station here that we need to launch into space. We have station parts basic. We have composite core basic. All of this is done. We need to build a rocket. And this is what I'm gonna try to do now. A couple of things. If you remember previous episode, we built a storage of this, but this storage was supposed to be built before this rotary kiln. I'm kind of advocating that only one rotary kiln is enough, but yeah, we have two now. I can test it by pausing this one. Yeah, sure. Let's do this. Let me see how this one is going to be handling this. If panic hits, I'm going to turn the other one on. The problem here, we have storage of 400 concrete, and we're going to need way more for the launching pad here. We have everything that we need. Please build this. We have 300 composite panels. We have 400 over here. We need 80 steel. We have 1,600 steel, and we need electronics 2. And statistics say that we have just under 2,000, 1,700 electronics 2, and they're on the rise, their production. So these ups and downs equalize in having more than we need. Okay, launching pad. That would be 14 minutes only in the video of me talking nonsense. Wow, that's a record low. Okay, so here, enables launching rockets to space after a rocket is delivered and securely attached to tower. It will be fired with a fuel based on the rocket type. This has to match with a connected fuel to this tower. Fuel is never stored at a launch pad for safety reasons. Water also needs to be connected since the launch process requires a large amount of it, dampening the rocket's exhaust shock waves. Fuel is never stored. Okay, so we have different fuel types. Okay, I can see a lot of inputs, but they're not giving me a lot of information here. Yeah, sure, whatever you say. I think this would be the best place for it. I don't know if this is where... There's a lot of space here. I could do some weird stuff like this. Yeah, I think this has better. This is a little bit better, I think. So, I don't know, like this. This costs, 1,000 concrete, so a lot of concrete. 300 of these, we are just about there. And 800 steel, we do have that. I think not in one place. I think it's being spent elsewhere as well. But at the moment, I paused all the construction material production. And steel here is being stored only for the... Well, for production and construction and all that stuff. Maybe I shouldn't have started research, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, by the way, let's maximize the research by putting this on. And even with this, we should have some additional benefits. I am not sure what we're doing correct here. Unity bonus from the consumption of water, electricity, household items, household appliances is 100%, whatever of what, I don't know. Decorations, 1 unity. I don't know. I'm assuming this is the decoration. This is bonus to adjacent housing, 1. I have no idea what this means. I thought that every one of them gets 1, but it says here whatever. Then it says here the total unity here is 16.8. There's another interesting thing that I still didn't install and I could have, and maybe I should do that. Internet module. The problem with the internet module that I had, we just have just below enough of these resources. Let me see. Did they deliver all of this to construction site here? Not yet, but I think they took most of it, if not all of it. You can see we have only 61 of these materials. Yeah, so this is going to be a big hit for the storage of the construction materials, but that's fine. This is what we expected. There's nothing else being constructed here, rails or anything else. This is our major problem, and we're gonna be a major project. 48. Yeah, that's gonna be just under 196 per minute of these. So only a few minutes is gonna be enough for them to get another 500 blocks that were not stored here. 500, 600 maybe, that were not stored here, so production should be quite fast. Steel might be a bigger problem. I'm still thinking about pausing the research. This is the steel here. 1/3 of all steel produced is going directly to storage, and it's being used elsewhere. It's being used in production of other like household items and this kind of stuff, absolutely, but also goes for this construction projects that we have. I do not know if we have any other steel storage that this steel is being siphoned off to or stored somewhere else. I'm pretty sure not, but yeah, just to bear that in mind. Low supply of concrete slabs. Yes, this is expected. Uranium rods. This is going up again. I see here the second shelf has 1 core. Is it called core? Uranium rod. Uranium rod has 1 and it was on the last shelf, so it's going up. I'm pretty happy with that. Yellow cake is full. This is gonna stop production of these just because we are reprocessing a lot of that fuel. That's good. Supply of diesel, it's constantly low still. The only way I'm actually stopping diesel from being used is not using it for shipping, which is not really smartest thing to do, because ships, I need a lot of shipping, but also changing my vehicles to be hydrogen vehicles. I do it very slowly now, or I don't do it at all because this extremely busy vehicles. Which ones are extremely busy, I still wouldn't be able to tell you because this is a little bit annoying. It doesn't seem like they're busy, but this red here, it's just annoying. I might have to build more vehicles. Okay, Mega Excavator is struggling to find the destination Yeah, so I did tell them over here to excavate this hillside and this area. Unfortunately, they can't do it. Looks like they cannot approach it from this side. They should be able to do it here after we are done dumping stuff. Let me just see. Okay, let's go and excavate one more line here. Just there's a little bit more limestone over here. That should be enough. And here, last remnants of the pool, the legendary pool. This is what's left of it, so sadness. Our big flooding over here, it's gone. We don't have any more flooding. Well, pool, not flooding. Yeah, so that's it. Did I extract everything here? I did. I think we can start dumping. As soon as they finish this, we can start dumping stuff over here too. Let me just see what we have scheduled for dumping. Nothing, just the rocks. So I'm thinking about maybe giving these guys, let me see, I don't know if the big vehicles can come in here and start, can come from here to this mountainside. While I have this still in place, this tower, I would like to remove this mountainside. So I don't know if it's possible or not, but that's the plan. And then we would be one level below. Oh, that's not one level below. I thought that's one level below. It is not. This is one level below. Let's do it like this. This is one level below. Obviously, many of these locations cannot be excavated at all. I need to redo this one because this is definitely what we need to take out from here. And then you can see that these guys here are definitely not needed. I don't know, this is just like useless kind of work. It's not useless, it's makes it look nicer, I think, you know, to see how much work they actually have, just to visualize things. Well, the whole other parts of industry is burning down. I'm actually playing with this, right-clicking and removing these icons. Anyway, let's go. Low supply concrete slab. This is going to be for foreseeable future. I totally see this being a thing, a problem. Do we have enough concrete here? Looks like it's holding out well. Tower, no available designations to be mined in the area. Okay, I'm running out of limestone. I need to see what is the limestone. Let's see here. Do we have sand? We have sand, so I can play a little bit with sand and rock over here. So please do this, and then you can go in this direction as well. Okay, diesel, iron ore, this is low, and then, yeah, they're gonna be getting pure iron ore over here. Well, some rocks, not really that pure. This guy is empty. This is next to pure. Now there's no other rocks, nothing here, just iron ore. So we have a lot of iron ore here, so yeah, that's looking good. Sulfur, high supply. This is going up, guys. This is slightly concerning. I might do something with that. I might have to do something with this. I could have put this on the ground over here, conveyor belt, and then conveyor it underneath here into this, but I won't do it now. Or should I? I don't know. No, I'm not doing it now. Sulfur, iron ore, diesel, uranium rods. Let's see here. It's still one core over here, so that's fine. Anything else? No, that's it. I had this poly warning. I'm gonna have to address this. This is something I mentioned before, but I still didn't do. This is the old arc furnace that gives us 36 molten silicon. We can upgrade it to the arc furnace 2 that needs water. It needs double the sand, double the coal, not double, the same amount of graphite and water, and gives us double molten silicon, double slag, and some steam. Steam is obviously going to be probably just pumped out. How much steam do you give us? 6 and 6. I can potentially play with this and connect this one with that. But we're going to need another ingredient here. Water. Water. Not a lot of it, but we're going to need it. Okay. I totally see that water entrance is going to be over here. Yeah, at the ends, I'm pretty sure they're not going to be. Why is this conveyor belt, straight conveyor belt, flat, going into pipes? Interesting, huh? Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the case here if I start doing this. So it's gonna double our what's it called, the molten silicon. It's gonna double our molten silicon production. I just wanted to double check molten silicon. Yeah, that's it. And double the exhaust as well. Do we have exhaust already? Yeah. Oh, this we're putting in the polluting. Oolykee, how could you? Yeah, so I totally see pipes maybe going through here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just go for it. Upgrade this and resolve this. Ooh, cancel. Pause, cancel. Do we have enough construction materials? Let's see what's happening over here. Construction materials, no, we don't. Well, maybe they're on the way, but not here. What's with this? Probably this is the problem. Okay, steel. Let me just see the steel situation. I mean, steel is going there, but will we get enough? I don't know. I probably should be getting a warning over here when it's under 25%. Now I am getting it. On the right hand side we have coal dropping as well. Maintenance is not a problem anymore. Research is going. That's really nice to see. Now we have these extra unity points. I'm just gonna see what we can use it for. We said this. Oh, maintenance, right? Maintenance is, or fuel consumption. Maintenance is all-time high. Okay, 30% maintenance reduced. Fuel consumption. This is the dodgy one because gives me only 10% but costs 2 additional points. Yeah, sure, I'll go for it. Just because fuel, you know, that includes, that's the vehicles on the ground. So yeah, I still have the decent amount of diesel vehicles. So yeah, that's a concern. Okay, still not upgrading this. I need to make sure that I have enough of these materials. Let's see the material production. Oh, that was a computing problem. Maybe we should invest in this. Let's see. Water, 24. Output is full. 24 chilled water. Now this is important because that's the hard limit for this. Maybe it's gonna be enough for the whole set here, but I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're 35 out of 48. Includes in the data center overall monthly maintenance cost. Did I remove all the other data centers? Yes, I did. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, what steel, sulfur, diesel, and uranium. Sulfur, yeah, the sulfur is gonna be challenging. Do I have this sulfur storage here? Yeah, I can just do this, and they're gonna start transporting. So I don't want to do that. They're just gonna start transporting sulfur from here to there, and I don't know if I want that. I'm just not seeing the sulfur usage. Let me see the statistics. Sulfur is going up. It was going down for a while. Why is it so? Who is consuming sulfur max? Last 100 years. You see this? This is where we were, and then I started importing, and then I stopped importing. We're going down, but looks like we are going up here. So I think I'm kind of hoping that this is gonna stop now because I don't know. Maybe we are more efficient with slag exports. I mean, the ship is away. It's gonna be back soon. This is coal imports. Look how the textures are standing still. It's weird. Right, okay, so we have 57. Okay, so they're probably... Oh, there we go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so automated orbit deliveries. Station parts basic. No crew or cargo assigned for... Okay, so how much will this... Oh, wait, what? Yeah, boy! If this is not proof of... that we are absolutely the most masculine humanity has to offer, whatever we are. Okay, rocket is here. Will you be able to just go there, or do I have to put out the red carpet? Where do you even go? This doesn't look like you go this way. I mean, like, Yeah, maybe, but you don't seem like you can park it all the way there. I don't know, we'll see. Whoop, I didn't see it turn around. This is normal speed. That's pretty fast, I have to say. Cool, 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 cool. Like, I know that in Kazakhstan they do trains. Trains deliver rockets to launch pads. In the Cape Canaveral they have these crawlers, or whatever they call them, something like that. Okay, let's see how does this go. Sound suppression, waiting for rocket. Don't do anything with the rocket. Obviously we have a water issue. How much water do you need? 160 for maximum. Sure, be grand. Oh, they cannot dump it directly, so I have to have storage as external storage. Okay, sure, whatever. Oh, they have extended pathways here where they stand. That looks like a failure point. Just personal opinion. I'll stay here forever. You're not going anywhere. What about the fuel again? You said here, oh, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, that's fair enough. And where do I deliver that? This looks like a fuel system, right? Sure, I don't mind doing that. Let's go. Hydrogen, deliver. Oxygen, deliver. I'm pretty sure the fuel is going to be ammonia or something somewhere. I don't know, methane. I know that they're using methane for rockets as well. But yeah, we're launching rockets. For civilian projects. We're not doing the, you know, the style of other people. We are friendly space program. Oh, I wonder how it feels being here when the steam starts hitting. This could be amusement park. Well, not steam, but whatever the fuel is. You see here, these extend, these carriers here. Okay, that's... Megascout struggling to find destination it can reach. Okay. Why is it so? Ah, right, these guys here. Sure, okay, we can skip the whole here. Okay, designations to be mined. Yeah, sure, let's go. Ah, should be grand. And here, do I do this? How are we doing with both trucks are empty? We do have some. And we're going for the good stuff first. Okay, so clear this out, please. Thank you very much. I need to start planning for this underground expedition that we're gonna go for, hunting this uranium, because that's all. That seems like a lot of it there, and yeah, I'm running out of above surface uranium. This is the last slivers. I can while we're here, we can address this as well. Edit the area, so something like this. Yeah, that's it. That's good enough. Depleted uranium, huh? I'm already doing the upper level here, upper stages. We need to remove some of this. Dumping grounds. Oh, they're still not doing this. I don't know why. I want them to dump soil here because these guys are damaged. I got notification and I removed it. Building a retaining wall long may collapse due to uneven terrain. Building called retaining wall long, that's this segment, may collapse due to uneven terrain. Uneven terrain happened due to collapse of these two, but I don't know why they collapsed. I built this like here, and potentially because I built it, it kind of pushed soil over the top, while it was being constructed. I'm assuming that this is the case. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing stuff like this anymore. At least I don't think I will. This is here different. Why is this different? This wall here is different than this wall. Even though they look the same, they're not. The difference between them is the... Let me show you what is the difference. If it's at the beginning, so that you have these 16 by 16 squares. If you build in the beginning here, like for example here, pause. If I build here and I try to excavate, you see that there's also micro determination about what's a block, what's not. These excavation blocks can be here or there. And that's the same with the dumping of the soil. So you can do this and this, but it will not cover this area where this building is already there. So because of that, that area here, these 2 squares to the right, they were never dumped on. They only have a soil that is like a loose going over, and then when I tried building something on it, I think this loose soil skipped over, and as soon as it touches the edge of this building here, it collapses the building. So this is how the mechanics of the game work. This is different because this is exactly on the edge of how much I can put in here. So it's almost perfect. So this is better way of doing it. Now the problem is when you go for the next level higher, you're still gonna have this problem. So I'm gonna have a problem here for the next level if I want to go higher. So yeah, that's just, you know, how it is in this game. I could remove these and build them one step closer in that direction, but I won't bother. I don't care. So yeah, that's the situation with them. Okay, so we have a rocket. Hopefully we're gonna get fuel sometime soon. Oxygen. Am I storing oxygen anywhere? I don't think I am. I think my oxygen production is constantly being consumed. Whatever I produce oxygen-wise, it's being consumed straight away. So I don't think I have oxygen storage. I'm just gonna double check this one, because this one is producing more oxygen than we need. I think the only option for us here is to just create oxygen production. So air separator, how much, does it actually cost too much to run this? 400 kilowatts, some maintenance. I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is expensive or not. Comment section, bitte. That's German for please. And I'm gonna go for this one. There we go. Hydrogen is on the way. Hydrogen is on the way. And I think these are 2 big trucks delivering hydrogen. That's really nice to see. Okay, that's it. What can we do with the rocket? What do we deliver? Ooh, does it even say automated orbit adventure, start launch countdown, auto launch when ready? Oh wow. No crew or cargo assigned for automated deliveries. I don't want automated deliveries. I want to see rocket payload. No deliveries set. Will launch and will launch empty. Okay, so deliveries, fine. 40. That's fine. Are you gonna deliver this? Can the vehicles deliver this? No. Looks like it's gonna be another conveyor belt system built, and I'm running out of space, guys. This is water. Cool. Already 2 assigned. Perfect. So we need storage. Small storage. And there are entry points here. I think we can do some gymnastics over here, which I definitely approve of. Like this. And this is going to be... No. Station parts basic. Ta-da! Okay, perfect. So I think this is the only thing we can put in space. We're gonna need food and stuff for space food. Space food is a thing as well. We're gonna be using that also, but that's later down the line. Okay. Anything else we want to do here? Coffee. These guys are still excavating. This here is gonna be obsolete soon because I won't be able to process anything. We do have a little bit here. I'm thinking about easily just doing this. Excavate. I think this is just flat excavation. Do we have access to this plateau? We do through here. So I think this is not the worst decision in the world. Okay, and here this is gonna be this is where we had collapsed buildings as well. Well, not as well, but we had collapsed buildings. So I can do it like this. I'm not gonna chase this, by the way. You see, concrete. Yeah, I'm telling you, this one concrete kiln, cement kiln, rotary kiln gas is not really needed. Steel is still being. Oh, electricity production. Don't suffer. Don't suffer. This definitely needs to have a priority. There we go. This one doesn't need electricity. The cooled casters, that's fine. Maximum production, maximum production. This is not working. Don't balance this. Oh, it's not balancing. Oh, what's the deal with the steam? Missing input. Ah, oh, come on, man. What the hell? Electricity production problem. Let me just check my nuclear reactors. Working like a clock. You see this second shelf? We had only one, now we have 7. So yeah, the fuel is being stocked. We're producing more fuel than consuming. That's great. So the bottleneck is this. We need to do something with that. Ship weapons, guys. This is dead slow. Dead slow. Okay, let's speed this up a bit. Oh, why are you complaining? Output is full. Oh, right. Okay. This one, and go here. My bad. Nitrogen is the thing that, well, you need it for making ammonia if you ever decide to make ammonia, but other than that, there's literally nothing else. You do need hydrogen for this. Hydrogen, you need electricity, that's uranium. Power comes from uranium, but I need technology first. Yeah, oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this. This is all almost empty. So this is approximately 3, let's say 3 big storages. This is like 5,000 depleted uranium is here. And we still have space here for at least another, oh sorry, not 5,000. How much is this storage? 15,000. This is 5,000 each. So I had at least 3 full of these dumped here, plus approximately whatever is here. So, and this is definitely like this area, if you make it this size, which, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 big squares, with one of them being half because of the ramp. Is it 1? It's a little bit more than 1. But this high as the retaining walls are, this is like 20,000. I would say 20,000. Can fit in this area, and I'm intending to expand this if needed. So yeah, there we go. So if when you're planning, feel free. I thought we're gonna get to this a little bit sooner. So sorting plan, mix cargo, waste, slag, remove, add, waste. Ta-da! Oh, I still have these little vehicles here. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that's fine. Let them play around with this. This is almost done anyway. So yeah, I mean, I will try to get this mountain down and then have the coastline here, some port area, starting approximately, well, here, after this water thing, level everything, push some gravel into the water and start considering making port area over here. And this is a huge potential for like new development farms or whatever. I will probably take out the layer of the soil here just to have as clean as possible grass, but I never do it perfectly. It's always something happens when I do things, so I'm just demonstrating, you know, flawlessness. No, flawed nature of how I do things. I think this could be something as well. I don't know what it is though. Anyway, supply of iron. Oh, that's a problem. What's happening? Iron ore is here. It should be delivered, but looks like the current deliveries of iron ore are maybe insufficient, so we should potentially try to disassemble the train. Send train to the train depot to be scrapped for parts. There we go. Scrap yourself. Let me see. Exclamation point. Of course it is. Okay, continue going. Let's try now. Now you can reverse. There we go. And I'm gonna copy the other train, and we're gonna have 2 6-wagon trains delivering iron ore. Proper Aussies. Yeah, this doesn't work, by the way, guys. So let's see, new train. I can easily. Do I want a different type of train? No, I have this steam already stuff. Locomotive tender. This is for excess fuel. Auxiliary wagon carrying extra fuel and water to greatly extend the range of the steam locomotive in front of it. No. No, I don't want this. Can only be placed behind the steam locomotive. I don't care. Like, we don't need that for these distances that we're covering. We need short distances, huge bulk stuff. So one of these, and then hopper wagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Where's the... Ah, here we go. Wow, that's not even expensive build. I mean, it has one purpose: go place A, place B, deliver coal. I can build, I think I can relatively easily build them for turnaround in the right direction, but I think it's just a waste of time. They're going uphill empty anyway, and they don't have any problems. I'm also thinking about doing this railroad properly to put it lower on the ground, but then I'm gonna have to build more overpasses, which here vehicles just go underneath this, so... Yeah, it's working out for me. Okay, so what is happening here? Electricity problem. What's with the rocket? Why is this not being filled? This is the station parts basic, because station parts basic here are not allowed to export stuff. There we go. So please export stuff now. Just to make sure that other stuff here that we build are allowed to be exported, just in case. Composite core basic. Just if we need to. And we need to wait for the vehicles to decide to deliver it. Uranium rods are low. This is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now fuel rods, and not 7. Okay, supply of steel is low. That's because we needed it for rockets. We still have the... I'm still thinking of expanding this. Ooh, right, we didn't go for... How much time do we have? We have 15 minutes-ish. So I'm thinking about going for... Not you. You. So to upgrade you, to do a couple of things, one of them being to get the water in, smoke out. That all can be done from around here. I think I can do that relatively easily. Where else I can connect to the smoke? On the other side, I don't want that because there's no underpasses free, but here we have underpasses for both water and smoke. I think so. So yeah, let's do that. So let's upgrade this now. Oof, that's gonna be rough. Let's speed this up. 166 construction parts we have. That would be right over here. Yep, that's the one. Other parts are still not delivered. We need those as well. Yeah, construction materials are delivered. Do you have the these parts? Iffy at best. That's not a lot of parts. I definitely should do this, and then I think this is going to be needed. Just because conveyor belts are not gonna be okay to go here. This one is probably gonna be fine. We'll see how it goes. Speed this up. Speed 3. Outputs, yeah, I can demolish the chimney. And slag will still be a thing. How are we doing with this production, my man? Yeah, this doesn't look like it's working to the full potential. This looks like it. Looks like we have a problem with these electronics now. I'm just gonna monitor production of these for a second. polys are not a problem at the moment, but they might be if we decide to upgrade this production. So this is fine. Let's see, this one is gonna hit this first. Yeah, waiting for products. Yeah, definitely we have a electronics level 1 problem over here. Will we ever upgrade this? Probably waiting for... Okay, so while this is waiting for... Yeah, I can definitely... Oh, I can't. Okay, I can assume. And I'm the best at this. F. Okay. Like this. Like this. I think all of this is going to be fine. Just water needs to go into here, and here the exhaust. Water needs to go in here. I don't know where I'm going to go with water, but I'll leave some space here, and then one up, just because I want to utilize this layer. This is smoke or exhaust. Sorry, my bad. And I'm thinking connecting it here, but let's go on the other side, lower to the... yeah, okay, it has a water connector, because water is going to go through the same direction, but it's going to be, I think, one higher. I'm going to put this to the ground now. Here. I hope this is exhaust. Yeah, it's exhaust. Perfect. Whoop. This is conveyor belts. Yeah, looks like we have another problem here. That would be production of these bad boys over here. Again, running at a limit. And I don't think I can expand here anymore. I mean, like, yeah, these storages don't need to be here. I need to redo 1, 2, 3, 4. I can actually do this here, I think. Yeah, I just need to push the conveyor belts further down. Yeah, that's gonna be looking very ugly. Fugly, even. Not happy about this, but yeah, I'm gonna have to demolish one of these. So I don't even know why I have so many rubber storages. That does not need to be here. One of the storages can be removed. I can put factory in here. I just need to set up the proper supply lines here. Supply lines are going to be a problem due to the proximity of the other conveyor belts. So if I do, let's see if I can do this flat connector. Can I build it here? Okay, I can. That's weird. Okay, if you say so. The second layer, there's only two, right? Only rubber and yeah, only rubber and this. Okay, sure. Just deliver it here. Can I connect then this? No, I'm gonna have to demolish it. I'm just thinking this rubber is going in this direction here. It probably would be the best to move this, all of this towards the right a little bit. I just need a conveyor belt. I need one storage of rubber. One rubber storage. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Okay, they're already building this conveyor belt. They need, I think, rubber. Yeah. No, construction parts. High supply of sulfur. Is it full? It's actually full. That's very, very... Okay, I'll do this. The trucks are gonna get busy and start delivering sulfur here, so yeah, I still think that we are consuming more than producing. I have no idea why they're not taking it from here. Potentially they have it from elsewhere, but hey ho. Low supply of steel. That shouldn't be a problem. I still want to focus on this. I'm just thinking out here, do I want to start demolishing this? This is all close. I'm gonna be making so much mess here. I think I think I would have to do this off screen. I can do whatever I'm doing now. This is not a problem. It's just that it's gonna look a little bit uglier than I would like to. What do I mean by that? I'll show you in a second. So, okay, this is now being built, right? Okay, so let's do this. Remove. you can stay. And then you need to remove. Let's remove this and this and this and this. So we're gonna use this rubber storage for everything. Let's remove these as well. Speed up a bit. Oh, actually, not. Did I remove? Yeah, that's fine. I removed this storage. Yeah. This storage stays. Yes. I just hope that they're gonna remove this rubber somehow, because I don't have any rubber. I'll have to make another storage for rubber probably. I'll just make a lot of. I will have to make a lot of conveyor belts here anyway, so that's not going to be a problem. disruption. But this disruption that I'm doing here is very, very short. Well, I hope so. You see this? Oh, I'll have to remove this one as well. Actually, only one needs to be removed. I think this can disappear on its... right, okay. It would disappear anyway. Let's go for conveyor belts. Short ones over here. There we go. This is copper, so this copper works. I need a faster conveyor belt here. Okay, there we go. And then the rubber from here needs to be on the elevated section. Whoa. This is a problem. How can I resolve this problem? Let's resolve this problem. Come on, trucks. Was I supposed to remove more? Yeah, probably. Let's do all of this like this. Speed more. Okay, conveyor belts delivering these electronics. That's it like this. Go away. Yeah, finally they're removing this factory as well. Oh my god, what do you need to deliver here? One construction material. We have 900 almost. Yeah, this is taking a little bit longer than I would like to. And this is too high level for rubber deliveries, so this is not needed. Let's do it this way. Okay, so this is how this is delivered. We need to do this. There we go. This is gonna resolve all our problems. Yeah, I wish. And then here we connected this one. Perfect. See, this doesn't allow us too close to another flat connector. Bastards. Okay, I'll do it here then. And then this one. Oh, it allows me because it's up. it's square, like even vertical square is how much they allow us to build. Okay, speed up. Let's see if this is going to work. Oh, pause for a cause. Let's build remove this one and build just this flat connector. Yes, please. Connector 1 to 3. This is a set recipe for electronics. Wow, that's gonna be a lot of electronics. 1, 2, 3, 4 factories. It's still under 200, so yeah. There we go. Rubber is flowing. Mixed cargo. What do you have? You have soil, limestone, and slag. Seriously, slag again? Yeah, sure. Just put it in there. I don't know what I was doing here. What's lag? Okay, are you excavating? They're still excavating this part as well. Ah, that's fine. I'll let them play around. This is not perfect for me. I'll do layer down like this. 1, 2, 3. And see what we get from this one. 1, 2, 3, and then let's go with a level. Come on. Go away. I probably need to start using the commands. F would be for this one. Okay. Not enough maintenance. Red maintenance is a panic mode. In a panic mode, red maintenance needs these electronics. Red maintenance, I don't even know what is red maintenance doing, but we need the red maintenance here. They need the electronics level 2. Electronics level 2 were not being constructed because of this. I think the system should be working better now. I'm gonna monitor these. Working. That's all. Oh, not enough compute. Whoa, boom. What the hell? Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Okay, that's a big problem. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I can pause the research then. Not sure how much happiness will that bring me, but here we go. That's fixed now. Hopefully this is now producing. This looks like it's working fine. Yeah, the last one in a row. Yeah, looks like it's getting all the materials, but this here is stopping for a second, and I don't like that part. I don't know where it's stopping. Here. Ooh, I totally forgot about this one. So how much we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, panic mode. Not panic mode, I'm kidding. This needs to be upgraded to higher level. This conveyor belt, at least this one here. This is consuming 24, and it's also being split. Maybe this one as well. But here we have 60 going in this direction, so yeah, that's gonna be fine. Let's see now. Maintenance. We should be getting this. This needs to be delivery priority 1. It is. Yeah, we need a few of those slaps in the face just to be sure that we're... Look, electronics are here. Oh, some of them are going into CPU production. I still would like to see before... Ah, we're already over an hour. I just saw the time. Yeah, whatever. Ooh. Isn't this a problem for delivery of these? Maybe it's a problem. Let's see if this resolves it. Oh yeah, somebody's on the way. This is red line, means that they cannot reach it. That's a problem, yeah. Come on, get this stuff away. Let's resolve it before the end of the episode. It's delivering it there and not here. That's the problem. Because of this, I never resolved this problem. I just built the bypass. We just lived on the borrowed time here. So it's not even that we don't have the easement. Can somebody... God damn it. Like, I'm speeding this up and like... I'm betting they pretend that they're working. I'm betting that they're pretending that they're working. I'm gonna say it again. Okay, this should be resolved. I'm gonna monitor this. I just had a small stroke, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share notification. What the freaking hell are you doing in a hole? See you in the next one. Bye-bye.